You had to come through the window of her mind. And now you're in my dominion. And now, we're going to hell.
After all, you made me. There is a world out there waiting to yield to us. So much flesh, so many different pleasures.